What's up, everybody? It's Josh here, and once again, we are in Parrish, Florida. Well, I'm about to be in Parrish, Florida. Right now, I'm at my house, sitting poolside, but I'm going to take you on a tour of a brand new home, mid 350 range. This particular home is already sold, but it's floor plan Friday, so I figured I'd go ahead and walk it through. It is the Casa Fresca Adora model, is what it is, in the Crosswind Point community in Parrish. So if you like home tours, stick around. All right, so this is the Adora floor plan by Casa Fresca Homes. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1420 square feet in Crosswind Point community in Parrish. So it's not completely finished, but this is the one furthest along. It's about 95, 98%. So let's go through this, take a look. So you come in the front door, you have your LVP flooring. Looks like tile, but it's LVP. And then over to the right here, you're gonna have bedroom number 1 up front. You do have a vaulted ceiling in the bedroom. So that's nice. Nice size bedroom as well. And then bedroom number 2, same thing, the vaulted ceiling. I'll show you the closet on this one. Okay, and then bathroom up front right here. So you got, this one has the gray cabinets, the quartz countertops, and then you have the tile around the tub and shower combo. Right, and then this is going to go out to the laundry room right here, and then behind the door that goes up to the garage is going to be your air handler, and then obviously your 2-car garage right there. All right, so coming in out of the laundry room, go left, you're going to come, once again, a vaulted ceiling. Let's go to the left over here first, and we'll come back and take a look at the kitchen. So right here to the left, it's going to be a linen closet. And then into the master bedroom. Continues on with that vaulted ceiling, or at least partial vaulted ceiling. Nice size bedroom here. And then into the bathroom. You do have your dual vanities with the gray cabinets in this one. Quartz countertops, window in the middle there, that's nice, let some light in. And then you have your shower here. And once again, I've seen people get rid of that shower rod and put up a glass door there, just kind of jazz it up a little bit. Then you got your toilet there, and then your walk-in closet here. All right. Coming on out, come into the living room / family room. And then your kitchen's gonna be over here. Once again, you got the gray cabinets, quartz countertops. This one has a stainless steel refrigerator. Cabinets there, and then your pantry. This is a gas community, so you got your gas range, microwave above, and then your dishwasher and a single bowl undermount sink in the island. And then over here is going to be your dining area. And let's go outside, take a look at this covered lanai. So you come out, you got your concrete, stuccoed patio, and then the covered lanai. And this particular one's already sold, but like I said, this is the one furthest along, so I wanted to show you. But it's got a nice big backyard. Just pan around, show you what the back looks like. But that is the Adora model by Casa Fresca Homes.